you that again. And I need that you answer the questions out loud, okay? So do you understand those rights?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand the procedure we'll follow? For the people?
Your Honor, we would ask the court to take judicial notice of the science behind the use of radar.
And that is a Walker case, and the court will take judicial notice of that.
Thank you. Secret Officer Ranger.
Please come forward to the witness stand. Please raise your right hand. Do you promise under penalty of perjury to tell the truth and the whole truth in the proceedings before this court? Please be seated. Counsel.
Thank you. Yeah, speaking the microphone. What's your name and spell your last name, please? Officer with the city of Commerce City, is that correct?
I am.
Tell the judge a little bit about your background.
In addition to doing learning course,
How long does that take to get through?
I just took my recollection processes. I did, yes. I was I retired only a year and a half ago.
All right. During the Flat Rock Police Academy training, did you have any training in detecting the speed of moving vehicles?
Absolutely. So as part of the course training, we learned to do the
City police officer on June 26, 2022.
I was
And were you working specifically? What car you were driving that day? Are you familiar with that car?
I was
And
it does, yes, it has an integrator.
that particular day, did you do anything?
And it gives a visual readout. Two separate chain works.
And you're certified or were given a certificate. So At about 11 o'clock on June 26, 2022, were you in the approximate location of the 7300 block?
Was en route to a call for
At about the 7300 block of that in Commerce City, Adams County, Colorado. So, do you notice anything that took your attention away?
it did, that is the first.
And you were going northbound. So which direction was the other car going?
Agree.
So what were the weather conditions? Towards you. How far away was it? Do you know?
I think when I first noticed it, it was
And does your radar unit do anything, make any noise or anything?
it does, yes. The
So outbound on Highway 2.
35 miles per hour.
And was there an additional traffic ice showing that day?
Yes,
And you know, was there anything blocked back, or do you know? Or
yes, both sides are visible from highway.
get a radar lock?
I did not. I did.
What was the readout?
Safely and efficiently so I could catch back up without driving.
point out as to where he is sitting.
I will note identification subject to cross-examination. Yes. Thank you, sir. This is the opportunity for cross-examination, which means questions of the witness. Do you have any questions for this witness? Okay, I'll ask that you come up to the podium so we can hear your voice.
Was trying to have a calm conversation, but I towards the tail end when I usually answer additional.
Okay, yeah, let's let her answer that first.
Yeah, absolutely. So to answer that, I believe crashed your vehicle. I had to knock on the window to get you to roll it down. So I did have to cut it short.
Okay, sir, we're not here about before, we're here about this time. Anything further? Okay, thank you. You can retake your seat. Ma'am, any questions from the city? Thank you. Ma'am, you can retake your seat. City rests. Sir, do you wish to testify regarding your case? Okay, do you understand you have a right not to testify? And if you choose to testify, the court can't infer anything from the fact that you choose not to testify. Okay, please raise your right hand. Do you promise under penalty of perjury to tell the truth and the whole truth in the proceedings before this court? Okay, what do you want to tell me about this?
at that restaurant. He was able to have. But the height, I looked at my dashboard, I was only going 40 miles an hour. I did slow down, because I wasn't going.
Thank you. Okay. So this, I'm sorry.
Just a bit of rebuttal.
Oh, rebuttal, yes. Please retake your seat. Sir, you'll be able to ask questions at the end of these questions.
Officer, so for southbound traffic,
Also have, one of the Rosemary, so,
right, but you would have clocked him after you passed that sign.
correct.
Thank you. Sir, do you have any questions based on those questions? Okay, thank you. You can retake your seat. Matters before the court regarding an alleged violation of speeding 55 and a 35, and the officer has testified that she was northbound on Highway 2. Defendant was southbound on Highway 2. She was en route to a non-emergent call and received or observed the defendant's operation of a vehicle in excess of the speed. She has testified that this occurred in Commerce City, in Adams County, in the state of Colorado, and has testified that she has training in visual estimate of speed and successfully been trained in that, and also in the operation of her radar unit. She said that she visually estimated the defendant traveling at 55, that was confirmed by her radar unit. The defendant says, well, where he was, there's the posted flashing speed limit. It appears to grab your speed, tell you how fast you're going, and that at the time he passed that, it was had seen 45, and then he slowed to 40. And the court's familiar with that stretch of the road and familiar that their 80th and Rosemary is, wide stretch of area where the speed limit does drop from 45 down to 35 pretty quickly. And the testimony of the officer and her training and experience is sufficient for the court to conclude that while the defendant may have slowed when the officer first observed him, he was traveling at the higher rate of speed. So I'm finding that people have met their burden. I am finding the defendant guilty of speeding 55 and a 35. 6 points, sir, will be assessed against your driving privilege. Anything about this driver's history?
There was no ticket.
We're just having a lot of people getting hurt from these speeding cases. So slow it down. Okay, your fine's $120. There's a 30% surcharge, $20 in court costs, $9 fuel service charge for a total of $185. Please go to the court clerk's window where you can make arrangements there. Thank you, sir.